Vanakkam, now we are going to solve problem 3.9b from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. The question is to find all the prime implicants for the following Boolean function and determine which are essential. So this is our B problem. This is f of a, comma b, comma c, comma d, that is equal to sigma 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 14 and 15. So minterms are given. So we are going to place ones into the corresponding cells. So this is 2, this is 1, and then 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 10, 11, 14, and then 15. So it is now time to group them, okay, combine them to form ones. So we don't have 8 number of adjacent ones, we don't have 16 number of adjacent ones, but we can form quads because we have adjacent 4 ones, okay. So how to form them as usual. So these corner ones can be combined. They may be combined. So here we have this. This is your loop 1. This is loop 1. And what are all the minterms covered by them and its corresponding expression. Okay. So the expression for this one is b dash, and here on column wise it is d dash. And what are all the minterms covered by this particular loop? It is 0, 2, 8, 10. So this is one prime implicant, pi1. Then we go for the second. These 4 ones can be combined and we can name it as loop 2. And for this loop 2 you can write the expression as it is cd only, because row wise all the literals are covered, so it becomes 1. Okay. And what are the minterms corresponding to this? It is 3, 7, 11, 15. So this is pi2. So you have to cover these 2 ones, right? So this one can be covered like this. The minterm can be covered like this. So this can be named as loop 3. And for this loop 3, the expression is on the side it is a row wise. Column wise it covers these 2, right? CD and CD dash. So it is C only. So what are the corresponding minterms? It covers 10, 11, 14 and 15. This is pi 3, prime implicant 3. This one is to be covered. For that we can go for this. So this is loop 4. So for this loop 4 we have the expression like this, a dash b on. So this is a dash b. This row wise, column wise, these 2 are covered. So it is c dash d cd, right? So we get only d. So this is covering the minterms 5, 7. So we can take it as pi4. Other than that, we can form one more loop like this. We can form the loop. This can also be formed. These 4 ones together. So that can be mentioned as loop 5. So this is loop 5. So that corresponds to, here it is b dash, row wise, column wise. It is covering C, because D and D dash are cancelled. So what are the minterms corresponding to this? It is 2, 3 and 10, 11. So this can be taken as pi5. And we have to decide which are all the essential. So if you look at this green color, look in this, the 0, 10, the 8th, okay, they are covered only once. So this loop 1 is a essential prime implicant. So this becomes essential EPI. And go for loop 2. So in this loop 2, what are all the midterms covered? This 3, 7, 15, 11, right? In this 3 is covered by red and blue, and this 7 is also covered twice, isn't it, by red and white, and this 15 is covered again twice by this red and yellow, and here this 11th midterm is covered by 3 loops. So all these minterms are covered more than once. So this is not an essential prime implicant. So we can cancel out this. No need to include this. And then go for this loop 3. Loop 3 is covering this minterms 10, 11, 14 and 15. In this 10 is covered more than twice, that is 3 times it is covered, right? Red, red color, red color is not there, but yellow, green, blue. So this 10th midterm is covered by 3 loops, yellow color, blue color, green color. Okay, then this 11th midterm, that is covered by again 3 loops, that is red, blue and yellow. This, when you come for this 15th, it is covered by 2 loops, yellow color and red color. But this 14th is covered only once. One loop is covering, right? That is yellow color. Red. So this is essential prime implicant. Then you go for loop 4. Loop 4 is this one, right? 5th and 7th. In this, the 5th is covered by only white color, but the 7th is covered by 2 colors. Anyhow, this 5th is covered only once, so this becomes essential. If any one minterm in that loop is covered only once, then it becomes essential. Okay, now you go for loop 5. It is covering 2nd, 3rd and 10th and 11th. In this, 2nd minterm is covered by 2 loops, and this 3rd minterm is covered by 2 loops. 10th minterm is covered by 3 loops. 11th minterm is covered by 3 loops. So this is also not an essential prime implicant, but it is a prime implicant. So we have 3 essential prime implicants. So this is the answer. Thank you.